Texila American University's MBChB program prepares you efficiently for practice within healthcare systems. As one of the leading medical schools in Zambia, we employ diverse teaching methodologies to foster proactive learning. The Bachelor of Health Science program integrates theoretical science with clinical exposure, offering in-depth knowledge of the human body. Apply scientific concepts to your clinical practice and become proficient in managing healthcare complexities. TAU offers the best MBChB degree in South Africa, renowned for excellence in teaching and research. Prepare to meet residency program requirements and excel in your medical career. At TAU, we foster excellence through creativity and innovation, offering diverse career pathways. Our commitment to teaching and research ensures comprehensive student development. Embark on a 5-year journey towards success with our MBChB program. Each year is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge necessary for your medical career. To join our MBChB program, you need A. Levels or pre-med with passes in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. Alternatively, a life science or physical science background with an associate degree or diploma in health science is acceptable. Experience unparalleled learning at our state-of-the-art cadaver facility. Our MBChB program offers hands-on anatomy education, allowing you to understand the human body in detail through cadaveric dissections.
In the physics lab, of course, when teaching students, we first start with precision and accuracy. You know, in physics, students, here at Texila University, we graduate students in the MBChB and they'll major into different programs. For instance, if they want to do their masters and their PhDs, if they want.
We have so many equipments. We have the UV spectrophotometer. Then we also have the fume hood. We also have the flame photometer, and so many equipments around this place. This lab is very equipped, and in this lab we teach medical students to be able to perform quantitative and qualitative tests, and this in turn helps students to become well-informed medical doctors.
Upon completion, a world of career opportunities awaits you. From clinical practice to research, teaching, and leadership roles, our MBChB program opens doors to diverse healthcare professions.
I love how the school is equipped with everything that we need to be the doctors that are going to be competent in our careers. So the room itself was quite welcoming, not as scary as it sounds because it's full of cadavers, but it's quite a conducive environment for learning and conducive in terms of the equipment was enough and ventilation was quite proper. Besides the fact that formalin can be a bit irritating, but besides that, I'm quite excited and the orientation was quite insightful.
Join us in shaping the future of medicine. With our MBChB program, you'll not only gain knowledge and skills but also contribute positively to the health and well-being of individuals and communities worldwide.